Geez, it's windy out there. Quite a gale blowing. Yes, I just came back from the loading bay. Huh. Look at the state of you, Mrs. Powell. What? Your hair's all over the place. Yes, I know, Miss Ferguson. The wind was quite powerful. It blew away my hair clips. Mrs. Powell, it wouldn't hurt you to present yourself better. It just shows your lack of discipline. I beg your pardon. Well, ever since I've worked here, you always seem to be fixing your hair clips. Yeah, that can't be helped. God's sakes, Mrs. Powell. Grow your hair longer so you can tie it back in a ponytail. Or perhaps buy some hair gel so you can slick it back like I do. No, Miss Ferguson. Mine's a particular style I need to upkeep. Yeah, that went out of fashion in 1973. Listen, when you slick your hair back, it scares the shit out of the prisoners. You gotta look intimidating. Well, thank you for the advice, Miss Ferguson. Any time, Mrs. Powell. Who's that? It's me, Mrs. Powell. Phyllis Hunt. And it's me, Pixie. Are you all right, Mrs. Powell? The wind blew away my hair clips. I'm having trouble seeing. You look like you're tripping on something, Mrs. Powell. Shut up, Hunt, or I'll put you on a charge. Look what I've got, Phyllis. Oh, good one, Pixie. Oh, God. Look at her. Stupid bitch. Oh, no. I can't find my keys. Looking for something, Mrs. Powell? What? Damn you, Hunt. Give me my keys. What a disgusting thing to do. Well, Hunt? Mason? Mrs. Reynolds, I have a confession to make. It was my fault. I learned it from Minnie Donovan. I expected better from you, Mason. I'm very disappointed. Sorry, Mrs. Reynolds. Sorry you will both be. Loss of privileges for a week. And you, Mason, you won't be going to the bridal boutique. Oh, no. You can't make me not go to the bridal boutique. Mr. Schumann won't be happy with me. Well, you should have thought about that before you did childish things. Oh, bloody hell. No buy-up. Both of you wait outside. I'd like a word with Mrs. Powell. I take it these are yours? Yes, Mrs. Reynolds. They were found near the loading bay. I seem to recall we've had this conversation many times already, Carleen. What conversation, Mrs. Reynolds? About your hair. Yes, it's windy season, Colleen. I suggest you do something with your hair. It's becoming a distraction. escort Hunt and Mason back to the rec room.
Oh, Hunt, you rotten bitch.
Sorry, Mrs. Powell.